Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video regarding oil pastel drawing of a Lord Shiva seated in a yogic pose, holding the trident, and I'll explain the detailed outline of the drawing and step by step. In a step by step, I hope you all love it. Before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Please subscribe and share. Let's dive into video. This divine harmony of oil pastel art of Lord Shiva's yogic pose this is a mesmerizing journey into the realm of artistic expression and spiritual symbolism. In this 6-minute video, I embark on a creativity odyssey, crafting a captivating oil pastel drawing depicting the divine Lord Shiva in his serene and powerful seated yogic posture, holding the sacred trishula. The video unfolds with a seamless process, beginning with the creation of a vibrant background using the magical stroke of yellow, red, and violet oil pastels. I crafted a celestial circle, blending a color to evoke a tranquil ambience, an ode to the harmonious cosmos that surrounds Lord Shiva's divine presence. As the canvas of color sets the stage, the artistic journey continues with the gentle sketching of Lord Shiva's majestic form. Starting from the head, we delicately outline the yogic pose that exudes grace, strength, and tranquility. Each stroke captures the essence of Shiva's timeless meditative posture, while the Trishula is her hand and symbolize cosmic balance and spiritual power. Through that process, we meticulously guide you step by step through the intricate details of Shiva's divine attire, the graceful curve of the Trisula, and the hands that hold this celestial weapon, the embodiment of creation, preservation, and destruction, and also explains in a and start by creating a round background circle using yellow oil pastel. Gradually blend in red and violet shades to evoke a serene and harmonious backdrop using a cotton bud or using your hands also, and blend it properly with a look of same colors. And it gives the soft palettes and gives the same attire of the most important process, and make a little patience also. And coming to the Shivji drawing, begin by lightly sketching Lord Shiva's head and outline in the center of the circle. Focus on the drawing, the yogic posture, Shiva's attire, and the intricate details of the Trishula. Guide viewers through the process of drawing, the hands holding the Trishula, and emphasize the symbolism behind each element. And coming to the blending and finishes touches, demonstrate the blending techniques using cotton buds to seamlessly match the Trishula with Lord Shiva's figure. Add depth and dimension and texture to the drawing, enhancing the highlights and shadows where necessary, emphasizing the importance of meticulous and blending for a cohesive and realistic look. And final details and conclusion. Fine tunes any remain details on Lord Shiva's figure or the Trisula. Recap the key techniques used throughout the drawing process. And throughout this creativity odyssey, I invite you to join us in exploring the mystical realm of art and spirituality. And finally, with a careful attention to nonsense, highlights and shadows, we conclude our creativity endure. The intricate details and vibrant colors come together to honor the magnificence of Lord Shiva's representation, a blend of strength, serenity, and divine grace. And experience the transcendental beauty of Lord Shiva's yogic posture and Trishula's symbolic significance as we merge artistic expression with spiritual reverence. And you have done it. I hope you all are love it and join us on this transformative journey into divine harmony where artistry and spirituality converge to celebrate the eternal essence of the Lord Shiva's yogic embodiment through the medium of oil pastel art. Uh, I hope you all are love it and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, follow for more.